Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom again and keep tapping on the build number because we have to activate the developer options. So after receiving this info, we can go back to the general settings and enter the system. And now let's tap on developer options. Here all we have to do is to simply scroll down just a little bit to find this option, automatic system update, which is, as you can see in my case, turned off. So in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher, and from this moment, since this option is active, your device will be allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. And of course you can turn it off whenever you want to just by tapping on the switcher again. So actually this is it. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.